So welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we shall be studying projective modules. Let's begin with the definition. Let R be a ring and P be an R module. Then P is called projective if for each R module epimorphism psi from R module M to R module N and a homomorphism F from P to N, there exists a homomorphism G from P to M such that psi composition G is F. In other words, what this says, that this diagram where this M to N is epimorphism psi, this P to N is homomorphism F, there exists a homomorphism G from P to M such that this diagram is commutative. So the first theorem says that the following statements are equivalent for an R module P. The first statement is P is a projective module. Second, if psi is a R module epimorphism from M to N, then psi star from home RPM to home RPN is also an epimorphism of abelian groups. And the third statement is that if this is a short exact sequence of R modules, then this sequence is also a short exact sequence of Z modules. So we first show that 1 implies 2. So it's given that P is projective, and what we need to show that given psi epimorphism, psi star is also epimorphism. So we pick if psi is in homomorphism, then psi star is also homomorphism. So that part is not to be shown. What we need to show is that this is onto. So we know that this is an epimorphism. F belongs to home RPN. Okay. F belongs to home RPN. Because P is projective, there exists a G here such that psi OG is F. Now psi OG is F implies that psi star G is F. This shows that psi star is epimorphism of abelian groups. 2 implies 1. This is given to us that whenever there is an epimorphism like this, this implies that this is also an epimorphism. So if there is an F here, there exists a G such that psi star G is F, which means that psi composition G is F, and this implies that this module P is a projective module. So 1 implies 2 and 2 implies 1. So these two are equivalent statements. Now we show the equivalence of statements 2 and 3. What is given to us? The statement 2. What we need to show that given this short exact sequence, this home sequence is also short exact. So recall that we have shown that if this much is exact, this implies that this much is also exact. Now to show the additional part that this whole sequence is short exact, what we need to show is that psi star should be surjective. Now it's given to us that whenever M to M2 is R module epimorphism, then home RPM to home RPM2 is also an epimorphism of abelian groups. So if this is a short exact, then the given sequence is also short exact. Finally, we show that 3 also implies 2. So now this is given to us and we want to show this. let psi from M to N be epimorphism. This implies that 0 kernel psi to M to N to 0. Now this is inclusion map, this is the map psi. So this becomes a short exact sequence. This becomes a short exact sequence. So by 3 we have that 0 home R P kernel psi, home R P M, home R P N 2 0. This is I star, this is psi star. This also is a short exact sequence. So what we had, that if M to N is an R module epimorphism, then this is also an R module epimorphism. So 3 also implies 2. So what we have shown, that 3 implies 2, 2 implies 1, and conversely this completes the proof.